Hey guys, Jyotsna here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will see about classes in Java. So as we all know, Java is an object-oriented programming language. Here, object-oriented. Okay. So everything in Java is associated with classes and objects along with its attributes and methods. So by taking one example of car, we know that car having different attributes like weight of the car and color of the car and methods like driving the car and applying brakes to the car. So here car is an object, okay, and a class is like an object constructor or a blueprint for creating objects. In other words, a class is a user defined blueprint or prototype from which objects are created. Okay. Class represents the set of properties or methods that are common to all objects of one type. So here is the syntax of the class. Class, which is a keyword, and class name, which is a user defined name for class, where C is capital always, okay, and curly braces. This is called body of the class. Okay, so in general, class declaration includes following components: modifier, class name, and body. Modifier, which is not mandatory with class. Modifiers means, for example, public or default access. The access which we give to the class is called as modifiers, using modifiers. Okay. The second one is class name. Okay, this one, class name. The name should begin with an initial letter. Here the first letter of the class name should be in uppercase. The third component is body. Body means whatever we include inside these curly braces, which is body of the class. Okay. So class have basically two types. One is functional class, one is main class. What is functional class? A class which does not contain main method. Which main method? Public static void main. That main method, which class does not contain that main method, known as functional class, and the class which contains that main method, known as main class. For example, I have given a small program for functional class and also main class. So here for functional class, I have declared one class test1 with one variable k and one method disp. Okay. So here main method is not present in this class. So this class is known as functional class. And next, this class test2, which contains a variable also and one main method also. So here this class is known as main class. So as we all know, when we save our program, we use .java extension. When we can have multiple classes in uh, one .java file, okay? And when we compile that file, for every class in that file, okay, for every class, one .class file gets created, okay? So here, as we all know, we can't execute our program without main method. So in every .java file should contain one class file which containing main methods. We can have number of main methods in one class. Okay, just to need to pass different arguments to the main method. Okay. So this is all about classes in Java. In our next video, we will see about objects in Java. There are many more videos regarding Java is coming. So please do subscribe and stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do comment and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.